The Kingdom of Slavonia was a province of the Habsburg Monarchy and the Austrian Empire that existed from 1699 to 1868. The province included northern parts of present-day regions of Slavonia and Syrmia. The southern parts of these regions were part of the Slavonian Military Frontier, which was a section of the military frontier. Geography. The Kingdom of Slavonia was bounded by the Kingdom of Croatia to the west, the Kingdom of Hungary to the north and the east, and by the Ottoman Empire to the south. Together with the Slavonian Military Frontier, it had about 6,600 square miles. It was divided into the three counties of Požega, Virovitice and Syrmia, besides a chain of mountains in the middle of the province. The remaining part of Slavonian Kingdom consisted of fertile eminences planted with vines and fruit trees and extensive plains. History. The Kingdom of Slavonia was formed from territories that Habsburg Monarchy gained from Ottoman Empire by the Treaty of Karlowitz, that ended the Great Turkish War. Initially, it was a separate Habsburg land under joint civil-military administration that lasted from 1699 to 1745. The inhabitants were exempted from taxes, but were bound to military service. In 1745, the full civil administration was introduced and Kingdom of Slavonia, as one of the lands of the Crown of St. Stephen, was administratively included into both Kingdom of Croatia and Kingdom of Hungary. After 1849, the Kingdom of Slavonia and Kingdom of Croatia were affirmed as completely separate crownlands of the Austrian Empire. Following the 1868 settlement with the Kingdom of Hungary, Kingdom of Slavonia was joined with Kingdom of Croatia into the single Kingdom of Croatia-Slavonia, which, although it was under the suzerainty of the Crown of St. Stephen, kept a significant level of self-rule. Population. After the end of the Great Turkish War, Slavonia was left desolated as around 80% of its pre-war population fled. In order to improve its demographics, people that fled from Slavonia and whose property was taken by the Ottomans were allowed to return to the lands if they had valid ownership documents. Settlers from Bosnia also started migrating to Slavonia, fleeing from the Ottomans. In 1691, around 22,300 Catholics from Bosnian Posavina moved to Slavonia. It is estimated that around 40,000 people lived in Slavonia in 1696. In 1698 its population increased to 80,000. The 1802 Austrian population data for the Kingdom of Slavonia recorded 148,000 Catholics, 135,000 Orthodox and 3,500 Protestants. According to other statistical estimations, in 1787 in civil Slavonia there were 265,670 inhabitants, and in 1804-1805 there were 286,349 inhabitants, but from the number clergy and nobility were excluded. Only men were counted in that census. There were 74,671 Roman Catholics, 68,390 Orthodox Christians, 1,744 Calvinists, 97 Lutherans and 160 Jews. Number of Orthodox Christians was higher in Syrmia, 32,090 Orthodox Christians and 12,633 Roman Catholics. In other two counties of Slavonia, Požega and Virovitice, as in city of Požega, Roman Catholics outnumbered Orthodox population. The official Austrian census of 1857 for Kingdom of Slavonia gives the following results: Požega County 63,341 Roman Catholics, 41,172 Eastern Orthodox, 837 Jews, 629 Greek Catholics, 85 Calvinists, 44 Lutherans. Osijek County 101,559 Roman Catholics, 35,806 Eastern Orthodox, 4,257 Calvinists, 1,784 Jews, 629 Greek Catholics, 69 Lutherans. Economy. The Kingdom of Slavonia was mostly an agricultural land, just like Kingdom of Croatia, and it was known for its silk production. Agriculture and the breeding of cattle were the most profitable occupations of the inhabitants. It produced corn of all kinds, hemp, flax, tobacco, and great quantities of licorice. The quantity of wine produced was also large, especially in the county of Srjem. In 1857, industrial employment was highest in the county of Osijek, while 72.3% were employed in agriculture.